Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's tool review is going to be a DeWalt tool. Now, I don't have very many DeWalt tools on this channel, and it's not really on purpose. It's just I don't carry their power tools, but I do use some of their other hand tools, tape measures, things like that. I used to run DeWalt all the time, and this is a tool that I've actually already owned, so I didn't buy this to review on this channel and then to use. I've actually had this for quite some time. This one sits in my toolbox drawer in my garage, in my screwdriver drawer, so this is just an insulated set. So in case I run into something out here in my garage and I want to use an insulated set. But I recently have had a buddy of mine who's needing a set of insulated screwdrivers, and I'm wanting to get me a different set anyways, and I told him he was getting ready to buy some, and I said don't buy any. I've got a set in my garage, doesn't get a whole lot of use. I'm going to give those to you, and then I'm going to pick up the ones that I've been wanting to get anyway. So these are the DeWalt, and I think the part number on this is DWHT66417. Going to run you somewhere in that range of $28 on Amazon, and that's the whole reason why I'm making this video, is because this is a good set. So just because I'm giving it away, don't think that it's not a good set. And after I saw how much it was, because I couldn't remember how much I paid for it, I thought for the price, you know, this is actually a really good set, because for most of what I'm going to show you here, to get this many blades and the different types of screwdrivers for 27 bucks in this tool row right here, I think that that's a pretty good price. So there may be some of you out there who are needing an insulated screwdriver set, and maybe this one would be a good fit for you, so I thought that I'd share it with you. So again, all these come inside this tool row right here. This rolls up with Velcro. You open this up, you get a total of 8 different blades, and then also 2 screwdriver handles. So again, for $28, this is quite a bit of bang for your buck. And again, it's a 1,000-volt set, and you basically get this regular type screwdriver. It is a DeWalt, but it looks very much like a Klein. It's kind of very reminiscent of it anyway, so if you like Klein screwdrivers, you're probably going to like this one. It's got a little bit more of a vinyl texture to it than the Klein does, but it still feels like I wouldn't know really. I'm holding a DeWalt screwdriver and a Klein screwdriver in 2 different hands if I didn't know which brand was what myself. So it works very much like this Klein insulated one that I've talked about in many different videos. This is kind of one that I use quite a bit. It works in the same way in that you've got all these blades. They just fit down in there, snaps into place, that locks it in, and then to release them, you pull back on this collar, it pops them up, you pull them out, you change them out. So you get your regular screwdriver handle, but then you also get a precision style screwdriver handle that takes the same blade. You can put all these blades in both screwdriver handles, put that in there, and then this one has this turning knob here that allows you to put your hand on that and then be able to spin that around inside of your hand real easy, just like any other precision style screwdriver that you might use. So 2 handles along with all the blades, the sizes that you get, and they have both sizes on them. They have metric, a number 3 by 100 is also an 1/8 by 1/4 inch. These aren't the slim line as far as to where you do have this little bitty ledge right here, and then like the Klein, it goes directly out to the tip, as you can see there. I kind of like this style better, but again, if this is for 27 bucks, I think this is a really good deal. So you get the 1/8 inch, you also get a 3/16 by 4 inch, which is also a number 5 by 100 millimeter, and then you get a 1/4 inch by 4 inch, or a 6.5 by 100 millimeter. You also get in Phillips, you get a Phillips number 0 by 2.4 inches, or 60 millimeters, and then you get a Phillips number 2 by, or actually a Phillips number 1, sorry, by 80 millimeters, or 3.2 inches, and then you get a Phillips number 2 by 100 millimeter, or 4 inches. So that's all the Phillips and slotted, but then you also get the 2 squares, which are kind of the more insulated screwdriver. I probably use these 2 sizes the most. So you get a square 1 by 4 inch, or 100 millimeter, and then also a square 2 by 4 inch, or 100 millimeter. So yeah, guys, 2 handles, 8 blades, a carrying case, $27, 1,000 volts. I don't know that that's not just a crazy good deal in my opinion. So again, that's why I decided to share it with you. I'm passing these on to somebody else because I've got some other insulated ones that are like this in mind. Actually, I mostly use dedicated Vera screwdrivers, and they've got a set of those for like 36 bucks. That gives me most of these things, and that's typically what I use. But that's why I'm passing these on. I just don't get a whole lot of use of them in my garage. if I'm doing electrical in my garage, I just turn all the power off and do all sorts of things. So I don't really need an insulated set. He needed one, so I'm going to pass this on to him. But I thought it might be useful to some of you to let you know that this exists in case, you need an insulated screwdriver set. There's a lot of bang for your buck here. So hope it was useful. Let me know in the comments below if you've had this one, if you use it, if you like it, what you think about it if you don't have it, if it might be something useful to you. Again, let me know that in the comments below. But as always, stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video.